everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Danielle and today we're going to make 4 Starbucks drinks at home. Please keep in mind these are not meant to be identical to what is in the Starbucks stores, but they are as close as I could get them. So the first drink that we're going to make is a chocolate chip frap. You're going to need ice, a cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1/8 of a teaspoon of vanilla. You're going to need 2 scoops of vanilla ice cream, 3 tablespoons of chocolate syrup, and you're gonna need a 1/2 cup of chocolate chips. You're gonna blend this, put it in a cup, top it with whipped cream and chocolate syrup. So the next drink that we're gonna make is my favorite. It's the chai tea latte, and this is the one that I order the most when I go to Starbucks. Keep in mind that this drink is caffeinated. So you're gonna fill the cup with about half ice and then about half milk as well. I didn't pour in as much milk and I really wish that I had, so do more milk than tea. And then you're gonna pour in the remainder of what's left of the cup with the Tezo. This is the chai tea concentrate. It can be found at Walmart, Amazon Prime Pantry. I found it in all of my local grocery stores. So yeah, you're just gonna fill up the rest of that, spin the cup a little bit to mix it on the counter, and enjoy. So now we're going to get into our espresso drinks, but if you don't have an espresso maker, don't worry. You can actually brew really strong coffee for these drinks. It doesn't replace the espresso, but flavor-wise, it does taste the same or pretty close to it. So if you don't have espresso, don't worry. So basically what I'm doing is I'm just making the espresso and I'm putting it in my freezer. That way when I pour it over ice, it's cold, because all of the drinks in today's video are iced. So the next drink we're gonna make is a vanilla latte. Please keep in mind that my espresso machine does not make espresso as dark as the Starbucks drinks. So you won't get to see that cool mix where it's super dark and super white milk, but it's still satisfying. So basically you're gonna add in about a cup, give or take, of the espresso, and then you're gonna fill the rest with milk. I didn't fill it to the top because again, my espresso is just not as strong as Starbucks. And then I didn't have vanilla syrup on hand, so I'm actually using vanilla caramel syrup. And if you watched my coffee bar video, you'll know that my pumps don't work because I bought the wrong size. So they're more for aesthetic than use. So anyways, I hope you enjoy. All right, y'all, our next drink and our second to last drink, because I actually have a bonus drink for you and I didn't tell you until now, but this is the caramel macchiato and it is iced. I actually prefer it hot, but I am going to go ahead and show it to you iced today. So basically you're going to line the cup with caramel syrup, just drizzle it around the side, and then you're going to pour in some milk, some vanilla syrup. Again, I only have the vanilla caramel, which is actually pretty good in the caramel macchiato. And then you're going to fill the rest up with espresso. Again, not super satisfying because my espresso machine just doesn't make them that dark. So
let me hold you close a while.
So our next drink is a bonus drink, the all popular pink drink. So I did mess this up, but I know where I went wrong. So basically, don't use regular milk, don't use almond milk. You're definitely going to want to use coconut milk. You're going to fill it about just under halfway full, and then you're going to add in freeze-dried strawberries, which I could not find. So I'm like, what's the harm in using regular bagged strawberries? Well, don't use those either. Something curdled the milk, and I don't know if it's the regular milk, the almond milk, or those particular strawberries, but I definitely messed up. Let me tell you, even though it did curdle the milk, I took a little sip and it was delicious. Don't judge me. Anyways, you're gonna fill the rest of it with Cran-Strawberry Juice. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. Bye.